student, good morning parents. Welcome to NCERT online. I am Mithun Sarkar, your online teacher. Students, yesterday we discussed already basic idea, topic TLO, TLM competency. But today we are going to discuss about different competencies of English in CBSE Kendriya Vidyalaya. So I hope all of you note down this and you remember. So start today's class. Okay? Competency. Competency is different types. We already discussed, and today we will discuss is all of the competency. In English, we know that there are 6 competency. First one, English. During the class, please note down this. After that, you will not forget. Number 1, reading. Reading means the particular topic and content, a story or poem that your teacher read or you teach your poem recite when teacher write reading. Number 2, writing. Writing is mainly related to question answer. When teacher do on the board any types of question answer related to your topic, that is your writing part. Number 3, grammar. Please note down this. After that, you will not forget. Grammar means all of the grammatically question like opposite word, then rhyming word, then another types of grammatically question when teacher write competency grammar. Number 4, creative writing. Creative writing means you need to write something creativity. Sometimes you need to draw, sometimes you need to write 5 sentences or more sentence. Sometimes you need to write some sentence with imaginary with a basis of picture. That is creative writing. Imagine you need to draw a bird and need to write 5 sentences. That is a creative writing. Number 5, spelling. Spelling, you already understand. Spelling means different types of spelling question. Like that, your teacher give you example that you write some missing letters. So you have to put the missing letters. Then correct the circle spelling. That is related to spelling. Then number 6, handwriting. Handwriting is for your improvement your handwriting. Whatever, when you need to write a story, you need to write a poem with related to your topic, that is handwriting. Okay, but in English we have another 2 competencies. What is this? Number 1, listening. and number 2 speaking. Students, you know that without listening anything, we cannot speak anything. So at first listening, then speaking. After that you can write, you can read, you can write. So listening and speaking, these two competencies are used for enrichment program. Enrichment program or enrichment work. Now you can ask a question, sir, what is enrichment work? In our school, in our classroom, every month we need to do a work in every subject. That is for your enrichment. These two competencies used for only enrichment work. But in when you do a exam in a classroom or in a periodic test, in final exam or half yearly, we can see these 6 competency related to question. Okay, so this all for English competency in CBSE board, NCERT according to NCERT book. Note down it. And if you are new in this channel, you can subscribe NCERT online and share with your friends, that your friends also know about this. Student, now all of the places is locked down. Your school is closed, but our study will be not closed. So stay with this channel so you can update all of the CBSE syllabus with all of the contents, all of the worksheet I will do here. I hope after this you have no confusion about the competency of English. Okay, so this 6 competencies here and these 2 competencies here. So how many competencies are total? There are there are total 8 competencies in English. Students, please note down it, and if you remember this properly, I hope you will not forget it anytime. Okay, so this for today's class, and next class we will discuss about all competency with EVS with discuss and where it is used. So stay with your own channel NCERT online. Okay, thank you all of you.